Hey guys, I was just sitting in the truck doing some cleaning. I use these Tubbo towels, and this video is not an advertisement for Tubbo towels, but I was just taking one and I was cleaning off this gear shift. This is a used truck I bought, and look at the dirt. This is just off the gear shifter. I wish I had started from the beginning so you'd know, but this is just off of this gear shifter. Let's see more. Yeah, look at this. I just thought, as I seen this, it's had since I bought it this real tacky kind of sticky feel, and camera's not focusing. There we go. See, look at that. Let me see if I can find a clean part of the towel. Relatively clean. Look at that. Yuck. Gross. Nasty. Buying a used vehicle, if it hadn't been through a dealership, this was a private party sale, and it's probably worth your time, or if you don't have the time and you have the money can spare, to take it to a professional detail shop, have this stuff cleaned. Look at this. I mean, this is horrendous. This is a 2009, and I'm my knowledge. Look at this. Look at this. That's terrible. Terrible. I am the fourth owner. Now the truck's in really good condition, so I can't believe that this has been in this kind of ownership since it's 2009. I think the previous owner just kind of, he took care of stuff as far as maintenance, but as far as cleanliness, I'm not so sure. Oh, that was high up. Priority list, maybe. I mean, look at this. Okay, clean towel. Let's see what happens. I'll wipe down the back of this. Look at that. That's just a swipe across. That's not even real scrubbing. And just think, I've been driving this truck for over a week, touching this gear shifter. Probably have touched my face and maybe even ate food after touching this without washing my hands. This is unbelievably bad. Wow. But it's coming clean. Like I said, this is no ad for Tubbo towels, but if you are looking for something, a good handy cleaner, Tubbo towels will do a good job. Just about anything, really. And I like them because they're handy. And so, well, maybe you enjoyed that little tidbit of a video, if that's what you want to call it. So yeah, if you buy a used car, if it hadn't been through a dealership detail, clean the stuff up. There's no telling what's lurking inside your car. Thanks for watching.